sources. In other words, the quad buffer stereo. And the way that you do that with Windows and OpenGL is through this function called set pixel format. So if you look at the code here and how you set it up, we can walk through it real quick. The hwind is the window handle that you get after creating the window. You pull the device context out of that via the getDC call, and then you're going to create this structure called a pixel format descriptor. And there's a lot of sort of boilerplate stuff in here, and if you want more details, you can look at sort of the Windows documentation to get a feel for what all these things mean. But for us, the key one is this one right here, this PFD stereo flag. What that does is that tells the system that you want stereo buffers to be allocated for this window. So once you set up the pixel format descriptor, you call choose pixel format, which allows the system to go through your descriptor and the device context which you wish to render into, and choose the correct format, the pixel format that best matches your requirements. In this code, and in actually all the sample code that I'll show today, we're not doing any error checking, so you'll definitely want to add that to your application. But for the brevity, we didn't add that in here. So once you have this pixel format, you then call the Windows function set pixel format with the device context, the pixel format that was given, and the descriptor that was given. And this will ensure that the window that you're creating or have created has the right stereo buffer characteristics associated with it. If you don't do this, some of the OpenGL calls necessary to do quad buffer stereo will actually return an error. So this is an important step to initially get your application stereo